Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix call failed on iPhone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Pull down the control center. Turn on airplane mode. Wait for 10 seconds. Then turn off. Solution 2. Open settings. In settings page tap privacy and security. Scroll down. Here tap lockdown mode. If it's enabled, disable it. Solution 3. Go to settings. Scroll down. Tap focus. Tap do not disturb. If it's enabled, disable it. Solution 4. Open settings. In settings page tap general. Scroll down. Here tap VPN and device management. If you have turned on a VPN, turning the VPN off or removing it. Solution 5. Change SIM card slot. If you put your SIM card on top of the SIM slot, then take out and put it to the bottom side. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.